to put that lady first and give the love that she deserves. Every woman needs a man, the kind of man that'll take her by the hand and tell her that you love her, place the one above her, make that promise, tell her that you promised. Every woman needs a man, the kind of man that'll take her by the hand and tell her that you love her, place the one above her, be real, tell her how you feel.